Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a child who likes to play with Legos, then for us personally, this base plate has been a perfect addition to our Lego collection. I originally got this just thinking that this would be a nice place for my son to be able to put his Legos and build upon, but I was impressed by right away that he started to use it in his imaginary play. He started to create a variety of different scenes and scenarios using this LEGO base plate. I really like the size of this one specifically because it can be used at home or it's easy to travel to. Just to compare the size, this is just a regular letter size sheet of paper and you can see how it matches up. So this is a perfect, nice square which is easy to use. It's also great because the Legos click right into place using just the classic bricks. I really love that this gives my son the ability to use his imagination, but also gives him a surface to connect his Legos. I definitely plan to add more base plates to our Lego collection in the future, but that's just my point of view.